We are making cute, easy graduation treats. We'll start with a cap and tassel. Dip a popsicle stick in candy coating and put it into the bottom of a mini Reese's cup. Using a sharp knife, cut the licorice ends to create a tassel. Dip a small brush in the candy coating to glue the mini M&M and tassel on the bottom of a chocolate square. Dip the brush in candy coating and glue the chocolate square on top of the Reese's cup. Next up are these two cute little graduates. Dip a popsicle stick in candy coating and place in the top of a marshmallow. Dip the marshmallows in the candy coating. Place on parchment paper to dry. While the marshmallows are drying, make a cap and tassel without the popsicle stick. Make another one without the Reese's cup. Dip the marshmallow in the chocolate candy coating about 1/4 inch deep. Let it dry completely before moving to the next step. Dip a small brush in the candy coating and glue on the eyes. Using a thin brush, paint on a smile. Glue on the cap and tassel. Dip a small brush in the candy coating and glue on the eyes. Using a thin brush, paint on a smile. Glue on the cap and tassel. And there you have it, 3 super cute, super easy graduation treats.